Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you play the iconic Skyrim theme on piano. We'll start by finding middle C on your keyboard, which is crucial for orientation. Then, we'll get comfortable with basic hand positioning. You'll learn the foundational chord progression of B minor, G major, A major, and E minor, which forms the backbone of this epic piece. This simple start will build a strong foundation for the melody. Now, let's bring the main melody to life with your right hand. We'll begin with the very first phrase, which typically starts on the note G, 2 octaves above middle C. Concentrate on playing these notes clearly and with a consistent rhythm. Remember, slow practice is key to building muscle memory and accuracy. Take your time to familiarize yourself with the distinct sound of this memorable opening. With your right hand starting to feel confident, it's time to add depth with your left hand. We'll introduce simple, foundational chords like B minor and G major to provide a rich harmonic background. Focus on playing single bass notes or simple chord shapes with your left hand. Practice each hand independently until they feel natural, ensuring a smooth transition when you eventually combine them. Finally, let's unite both hands to play the full Skyrim theme. Start by combining them at a very slow tempo, focusing on one short phrase at a time. Pay attention to keeping your hands relaxed and your fingers curved. Consistent practice, even for just 15 to 20 minutes each day, will lead to significant improvement. Enjoy the process of bringing this powerful music to your piano.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.